Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs, to the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. You're chilling and grilling with your boy KC. So today we got something really good, especially on the menu. We're gonna be doing jerk shrimp, you guys. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do some jerk shrimp, real easy and simple. So the first thing you want to do is, we want to have our wet ingredients. So I'll definitely be leaving that, in the description below on how to make the wet ingredients. And also too, I have my jerk season 2. I'll leave down there as well, and I'll leave it on the screen just in case. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna marinate it first. So I already have the marinade already mixed up and stuff like that. I had a little bit of it because I was using it on some chicken. So it might settle in it, so shake it up a little bit like that. So make sure you get a Ziploc bag. First, what you want to do is, what you can do is you can devein your shrimp, or you don't have to devein your shrimp. It's up to you and stuff like that. These are large size shrimp, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna marinate it. So I'm gonna actually be putting it in a bag. Right now, just I'm gonna be placing them in the bag and actually adding the marinade in there. So let me place all of them in there, and then we're gonna do some put them on some skewers, and put them on the grill. But yeah, this is a really simple ingredient. If anybody that knows me, they know that jerk is my favorite. Oh, and this is one easy way to do it so you won't have too much of a mess. Fold your bag, your Ziploc bag, fold it outwardly, so everything stays inside. So when you pull it out, you won't get the mess on the outside. So, right now, just shake it up, the marinade. One thing when you're doing jerk of any kind, there's a wet and dry ingredients. So we're gonna start with the marinade first. Just pour it around. You don't need that much. What we're gonna do is stick it in the refrigerator, for about 30 minutes. The longest, it just depends on how hot you want it and stuff like that. Depends on how long you marinate it. So what I'm gonna do is close it up and put it in the refrigerator for about a good 30 minutes to an hour, just probably 45 minutes or something like that. Try to get as much air out of it as possible. Mix it around, so you can make sure the shrimp is evenly coated, because with this is a lot of different citruses up in here, spices, so they can cook your shrimp. So we don't want it to fully cook, so don't leave it overnight like some people say. And what we're gonna do is get ready to put this in the refrigerator, and I'll see you back in about 45 minutes. All right, you guys, so now there's been about 30 to 45 minutes that we had the shrimp marinating with the jerk marinade. What we're gonna do is, skewer. I already put them on the skewers. I already started up the skewers. What you wanna do, and I'm gonna give you a little tip, is with the bamboo skewers, if you notice when people actually put them on the grill, they get charred or burnt. So what you wanna do is beforehand, soak them in some water, and this will prevent the burning of the sticks and stuff like that. So you don't want to be bringing taking your shrimp off or your meat or anything off and it break clean. So this is one way to do it. So that's a little trick of the trade. So the little tip of the day is soak your bamboo, skewers. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna skewer up, skewer up the last shrimp, like that before we put it on the grill. So it's real simple and easy to do. Just put them on one by one, curl it. You can do it a long way. But, to get, maximize the space, just fold them. So that's what I'm doing. I'm actually folding them over and stuff like that. And like I said, if for those that, stand out there wondering if they're deveined or not, these are not. You don't have to. It's up to you if you want to, like that. But these are not, we're going to do them straight on the grill. They're going to be fine, and they're not going to be bad for you. So what I'm gonna do is finish these up, and then finish this up. And like I said, it's real simple. Separate them. Don't crowd them up. That's what you don't want to do, is crowd them up. They also too have some skewers that are flat. Some bamboo skewers that are flat. Those are also too great. They have to prevent from turning and twisting around and stuff like that. And here we are. So I got a good what, 6 skewers and stuff like that, a few little shrimp left over. But you know what I'm saying, what we're gonna do is get the grill ready, and we're gonna put them on the grill. So right before you put them on the grill, what you want to do is now you want to apply your dry rub. So I have my own recipe. Like I said, I have it in the description below. What we're gonna do is season it. So just season your jerk seasoning on top, and and then right before we're gonna put these on the grill face down, and I'm gonna show you why. You know what I'm saying? But I'm only gonna season one side currently right now, and then you're gonna see me do the next step after that. So yeah, just coat them, you know what I'm saying, pretty good. Don't worry about it. This is jerk season, so you can't over salt it. You know what I'm saying? Jerk has its own blend. All right, you guys, so so I'm gonna get ready to put this on the grill. All right, so we're gonna get ready to put these on the grill. Today we're gonna be grilling indoors, so we got our Ninja Foodi XL grill and stuff like that. So like I was saying, we're gonna put these face down. You can do them catacorn if you want them, but these are just fine. And we're gonna put our shrimp down. Alrighty, one more for the road. Let me scoot them over. Sneak that one in on the side. Alright, you guys. So the reason why I didn't season both sides is because I wanted to season the rest of it on the grill. So so put the rest of your jerk seasoning on top of it, and close it down and let it do its thing. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna let this finish up, and we're done. Can't wait to get these jerk shrimp, y'all. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna flip them. Flip them around. We're getting almost done. We're gonna let them sear up. Yeah. Now you don't have to flip them, but if you just want to get a little color on them, you can. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave them on there for about probably a good minute, and they're done. The shrimp are finished cooking. We want to take them off. It took about 4 minutes to cook and everything like that. So we're ready to plate them up. Or just for you. Yeah. All right, you guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up some lime. We did a little seafood, so you always want to have some lime with your meal. So we're gonna cut up some lime. So I'll be doing that right now. All right, you guys. So we get a knife out, and it might look like a lemon, but it's still a lime, you guys. Cut them into wedges. Oh, this lemon smells great. You know what I'm saying? And squeeze them over your shrimp. Make sure you have a sharp knife. All right, you guys, so that's all it is. And just plate them up, you know what I'm saying, and serve them up. So we're gonna do it, can't have jerk without some rice and peas, you know what I'm saying? So, we went over there to Montego Bay. We had to have that jerk pit. So the shrimp was inspired by the jerk we had over in Jamaica. Oh, we had so much fun. So you guys, so we about to get the rice and beans out, red beans and rice, or rice and peas like they say over there. And I'll probably add a little plantain. All right, you guys, so let me actually get to serving this up for dinner. And I'm about to get out, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy KC from the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. Thanks for chilling and grilling with me. See you next time.